Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA over sigma a comma b such that set of all strings ends with a. Now we will accept this string which is ends with a, like L equal to A. It is a string which is ends with A also. Even it is starting with A, but it's even ends with A. BA, any number of A ends with A only. BA, then BA ends with A, BBA ends with A. So ABA ends with A like this. So how we will do? Initial step by getting A, I am assuming that now it ends with A. Now if you are getting any number of A, if you are getting any number of A, be there only. Now it ends with A. Now before getting first A, means this A, I can have any number of B, I will be wait there for A. So if you are getting any number of B, I am waiting A. So if you will get A, I am assuming that it is ends with A, accepted. Now if you are getting any number of A, fine. But after that, if you are again getting B, come there. Why? Because now it's no more ends with A. So here I am just waiting. See, because that's why whenever I am getting B, I am be there. This state is saying that I am waiting for A. If it got A, it's go to final state. Now this state will check whether it is the last A or not. If only by getting A, string finished, accepted. Yeah, this is the last. If you are getting A, accepted. But after that, if you are again getting B, again going to initial, again you wait. If you get A, accepted. Okay, so by getting A, accepted, because now it ends with A. If getting B, remain there. Okay, again B, remain there.